Hi guys, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel, the Student Planet and Designer. This is the video series of modeling commands in NX, and I have explained some modeling commands in my previous videos. If you have not seen that, then just need to click in the description and you will find the link. Otherwise, you can directly search uh, the Student Planet and Designer in YouTube. Then you will find the playlist named with Unigraphics NX, and you will find the NX related all videos in that playlist. Okay, if you are not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next video, because in this channel I am explaining from basic to advanced of NX, and some theoretical subjects also I have started, but at this time in previous 2 days I have not uploaded any theoretical subjects video, but I am trying to continue it. Okay, so please subscribe this, and here I will explain all commands and all aspects as per industry practice in the next videos. Okay, so let's start without wasting any time. In my previous videos I explained some types of motion in move phases. Okay, and due to some reason I am unable to complete this. So up to here, distance between point I have explained my previous videos, and from here radial distance to next all motion type I will cover in this video. Okay, so firstly I want to move this face, then I have an object, so just need to make an object. Suppose that I have a clock, and I want to move the faces. Suppose that I want to move the faces with the radial distance, then you have to select the face which you want to in radial distance. Suppose that how you can move this. Suppose that I have this okay face, and I have to provide this distance. Okay, this one is the first point and this is the second point, because you can think that radial distance will move according to this. Okay, so you have to think like this, then select the vector and other things. Okay, suppose that I am selecting this as a face, and need to select the vector, then I am selecting this vector. Okay, and suppose that axis point, from here I want to move it with this. Okay, you can see when you move forward or backward, you will see what changes will occur. Okay, so in this way I am explaining just in a simple clock. When you apply this in a model, then you will find all aspects and how it can help you in modeling. Okay, you can change the vector according to the face. Okay, and all these things. Okay, and suppose that next one is point to point. In point to point, you have to provide the 2 points from to which you want to move. I have no other block at this time. Suppose that if I will create any block in the same plane, okay, then I can move any face up to there. I'm just showing how you can move this. चलो बना लेते हैं एक दूसरा ब्लॉक बनाते हैं. ओके, सपोज दैट and this is the y. Okay, and I want to move it in y direction. Suppose that minus 10. Okay, and then okay, and then negative all these dimensions so that your block will in opposite direction. Okay, or you can move the face with the minus 10 yani ki 105. Okay, you need to create a block here y minus 1 0. Okay, now you can see you have created this block with the distance between this face and this face is to 10 mm, and I want to move this face. Okay, this face up to here, then just I need to move it by the point. I don't need to give the dimension and measure all these dimensions, and then to provide just select the face, which face you want to move. Suppose that I want to move this face, and I specify the first point, suppose that this one, and second point this one. Then you can see here this face has been moved up to the next. Okay, after that you can combine these faces or unite the body as you want. Okay, so move to forward, rotate by 3 points. Then suppose that I want to rotate specify vector this one. Okay, and pivot point, suppose that this one, and start point, suppose that this one, end point, suppose that this one. Select face, this one. Okay, you can see how can rotate by 3 points. You have to provide a vector and 3 points. You have to think that which vector I have to provide if I want to move which face. Suppose that if you want to move this face, then this can revolve like this. Okay, then you have to choose the vector parallel to the face. Okay, so in this way you have to think how I can select the vector, select the point to rotate or move any face. Okay, so this is all about just I am giving here you a concept how you can apply these things, and when I will make video on the modeling tutorial and make a model, complicated model also, then I will use all these commands, then you will see how it could be applied on that. Okay, so and practice these commands with your own self. Okay, suppose that I want to rotate it by okay, it has been done, and suppose that I want to it align to the axis, then firstly I have to draft it. Suppose that vector and this one, and I have drafted it like here. Okay, then I want to make it parallel with to the z axis. Okay, then I can move it with the help of the align axis to vector. Okay, suppose that I have to select the face. I want to align this face, and I specify the vector from which vector you want to move from this vector, and this is the pivot point about which I want to rotate it, and you have to select the vector uh, about which you want to make parallel. Okay, so you have to select, and then you can see here this face has been moved up to the z parallel axis. Okay, parallel axis to z, and now these with the help of this command you can move the face with the help of CSIS, your coordinate system. And suppose that if you have two coordinate system, then you can apply this. So firstly you have to two coordinate systems. This, and for this I have to make it the coordinate system. You can create it in here. You can set it at here. Okay, you can see here you have to give the two coordinate systems, and you will be able to move that with the help of your provided coordinate. Okay, you can see here this has been moved up to here. So this is about the move command, how you can apply. Okay, and in offset region you can offset any face, anything up to which you want. Okay, you can offset it like this. This is a very simple command. And if you want to replace face, apply the replace face, then you have two faces about which you want to replace. Suppose that I have to make a face. Suppose that this is the face I have, this is the parallel place, and this is inclined, and I want to replace this face according to this face, then it will replaced with this face, and it will parallel to the upper plane. Okay, suppose that face to replace this face I want to replace, and replacement face this face, then you can see the draft has been eliminated with the help of the replace face also. And this is a very good command. You will use it anywhere where you want to merge the bodies together. Okay, this is a very good useful commands. Okay, so and if you want to delete anything, then you have to firstly, suppose that I sketch here. Wait a second. wait for a sec. Then if I want to delete any face, then I have a face, after which I can delete any face. Suppose that I have created this sketch and this face, and I want to revolve this. Okay, go to the revolve, and revolve according to this vector. Okay, and I want to revolve it like a sheet. Okay, and you can offset it decided. Okay, now you can offset it like this, and need to unite. Suppose that anything you can perform these commands accordingly. Suppose that I want to delete this inner face, then I have to select all the faces. Okay, you can see here I have deleted this face. Okay, this body, this block body's face inside this circular body, conic body, I have deleted. So according to this, you can use the delete command, delete face. Okay, so in this video up to here, and in next video I will explain other commands in this synchronous modeling, and you can find this from menu and then insert and then synchronous modeling, and you will find all these commands here also. Okay, so in this video up to here, until the next video, please enjoy these videos and practice this by your own self, and thanks for watching this video. And if you have any suggestion, any comment, then please comment in the comment section, and if you have any query, then also comment in the comment section. And you want to give some suggestions, some improvement suggestion for me, then you can put it in comment section, and I will work on that, and definitely I will improve myself. Okay, so until the next video, okay, bye bye, take care of yourself, your family, your neighbors. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.